Good morning to all. Today in this class we'll learn about the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles के जो problems है बच्चों, how to solve in trigonometric ratios. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of complementary angles. We know that complementary angle that is nothing but sum of two angles. Sum of two angles is 90 degrees. And if you add any two angles and if you get 90 degrees, then the two angles are called complementary angles. Simply we can say angle A plus angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Right. Okay, we have here in trigonometric we have different properties based on the complementary angles. First of all, we should know the formula. Write it the formula here. Formulas are here. Example, sine of 90 minus theta become cos theta. Sine of 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. Tan of 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. And secant of 90 minus theta is equals to cosecant theta. These are the basic formulas. There is nothing here, we know that already. They are changed. Example, sine of 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. Then reverse here, it become what here? Cos of 90 minus theta become sin theta. यानी अगर sin of 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta होता है, then again it is cos of 90 minus theta become again sin theta. Tan of 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. Then cot of 90 minus theta become here tan theta. And secant of 90 minus theta is equals to cosecant theta. Then become what here? Cosecant of 90 minus theta become what here? Secant theta. Then that is here simply sine changes to cos, cos changes to sine in complementary angles. If it is a 90 degrees is there, sine changes to cos, cos changes to sine, tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan, and secant changes to cosecant, cosecant changes to secant. Very simply, just you need to remember is here what here? Sine changes to cos theta in complementary angles and cos theta changes to sin theta. Tan theta change into cot theta and cot theta changes to tan theta and secant theta change into cosecant theta and cosecant theta changes into secant theta. These are the three things here you need to remember. ये main three चीजें हैं बच्चों जो आप लोगों को सीखना है. Sin cos, cos sin, tan cot, cot tan, and secant cosecant. चलिए we learn about here some problems here. See बच्चों, we have in trigonometric in our textbook standard angle 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. ये स्टैंडर्ड एंगल्स जिसके वैल्यूज हमें टेक्स्ट बुक के टेबल में मिल जाते हैं. बट व्हाट अबाउट दिस एंगल्स, दिस वैल्यूज, वी डोंट हैव एनी पर्टिकुलर वैल्यूज प्रेजेंटली इन टेक्स्ट बुक, राइट? So how to solve these problems here? Standard angles mean we know the table and we know the value, we will substitute there. But how to solve these problems here? When the angles are not standard, mean the values are not available with us. So this is problem we have to solve according to the complementary angles here. What is complementary angles here? Complementary angles, see here, 37 is not a standard angle, 53 is not a standard angle. But if I add them, if I see here 37 plus 53, 37 plus 53 is nothing but 90 degrees. So that means the sum of these two angles are complementary angles. दोनों को अगर आप ऐड करते हैं तो देखिए वो complementary 90 डिग्री से. Now we will solve it here. What I have to do it here? I have to change numerator or denominator also. Okay, but I will change numerator because to cancel the denominator. अब देखिए न्यूमरेटर में क्या है यहाँ 37 है, right? Then what is the complementary angle of 37 here? Sum of two angles are equal to 90 degrees, right? If one angle is 37, then what is another angle here? We know that is what here? B is equals to 90 degrees minus 37, that is nothing but 53 degrees. मतलब 37 का complementary angle 53 degrees. The complementary angle of 37 degrees is nothing but 53 degrees. Why? Because 37 plus 53 equal to 90. So similarly, what we need to do it here, instead of beta, so this 37 I can write 90 minus 53 I can write now. 37 I can write as 90 minus 53. Why? If I subtract 90 minus 53, I will get 37 only. Right. So similarly, what I am doing here, cos 37 is here, right? 37 in place of 37. What is the complementary angle of 37? 53. So in place of 37, I am writing 90 minus 53. Can I not write here? 90 minus 53. And denominator as it is here, sine 53 degrees. So now what I have seen here, cos of 90 minus theta, we have complementary angle formula. Cos of 90, like this is a theta, 90 minus theta, we know the formula is sine theta. Cos changes in 9 theta, that become what is sine theta. What is the value of theta here? 53. So that is sine 53 degrees by sine 53 degrees. Now both numerator and denominator are same, we can cancel, the answer is here 1. Similarly this problem here, 53, 54 and 36, both sum of the two angles are equal to 90 degrees, that means they are complementary. Either we can change numerator or denominator also. So 54, this is 54 degrees is there, I can write this as a 90 minus 36. Can I write up now? If I subtract from 90 minus 36, I will get 54 only. So what I need to do here, so tan 54 I am writing it as a 90 minus 36 divided by, it is already cot 36. Okay. Now complementary angle of tan theta, so that is nothing but tan of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta become what here? Cot theta. Tan changes to cot. But what is the theta? Which one we have taken? So that is equals to cot 36 degrees by cot 36 degrees. Cot 36 cancel, answer is 1. So in this way we can solve this problem. Numerator we can change. What in the case if plus is there, minus is there? What we can do it here? Let's see. I have taken 2 more example problems, right? Now there is a difference here than compared to previous one. Here sin 39 and cos 51 is given. If you see it here, अगर आप यहाँ देखेंगे 39 plus 51 plus 39, that is nothing but 90 degrees. That means they are complementary angles. So complementary angles mean we can change one ratio, any ratio, right? So चलिए, what I am doing here, solution 39 I am changing here. What is the complementary angle of 39? Complementary angle of 39. What we should add to 39 to get 90? That is nothing but 51. So what here? So 39 I can write it as a 90 minus 51. 90 minus 51. So that is here 39 degrees. So that is what I am writing. Sine of, in place of 39 I am writing here 90 degrees minus 51 degrees. Already minus cos 51. Now sine of 90 minus theta, again the formula is here, sine of 90 minus theta, that become here cos theta. So theta, what is the theta here? 51. So that is equals to cos of theta, in place of theta here 51, cos 51 degrees minus already cos 51 degrees is this is here. Now both are same and minus sign cancel, answer is 0. What to do when the problems are like that here? See here 48 plus 16, not 90. That means they are not complementary. But 48 and 42 if you add, 48 and 42 if you add, then we getting 90. That means these two angles are complementary. And 16 and 74, 16 plus 74 is 90. So we can change. To cancel this is, we have to change this is here. To cancel this is, we have to change this is here. Right? Chaliye. Tan, okay. Tan 48 is tan 48. I am writing on also similar. Tan 16, similarly I am writing here tan 16. tan 42. What is the complementary angle of 42? 48, right? 42 plus 48, 90. So similarly, that's why tan 42 I am writing. 42 I am writing this is as tan of 90 minus 48. Why? Because if I subtract 90 minus 48, I will get 42, which is a complementary angle of 42. Similarly, tan 74. Tan 74 I am doing here 90 minus 16. If I subtract 90 minus 16, I will get 74. Right? Now, tan of 90 minus theta. Formula we have tan of 90 minus theta. Formula is cot theta. Cot theta. So what I am doing here? क्या कर रहा हूँ यहाँ? Tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan of 90 minus theta. Theta की वैल्यू है यहाँ 48. Tan of 90 minus theta become cot theta. That become here cot 48 degrees, and this is also cot 16 degrees. बच्चों we already know that tan and cot are both reciprocal. Tan को reverse कीजिए cot theta आता और cot theta को reverse कीजिए tan theta आता. So what here? So this is I am writing here tan 48 is tan 48, tan 16 means tan 16, cot 48 nothing but 1 by tan theta. Tan theta formula is 1 by cot theta formula is 1 by tan theta. So cot 48 I can write it is as a tan 48. 1 by tan 48, reciprocal of tan theta. Cot theta, this is also I can write 1 by tan 16. Why? Because we have formula cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. Now, tan 48, tan 40 we can cancel, tan 16 and tan 16 we can cancel, answer is 1. So, bachcho, in this way, you can solve complementary angles, right? So for more exercise problem, more practice, I'll share few questions, do it here. And if you need any conceptual, any help in this chapter, any mathematical concept, just give your suggestion and comment. Definitely we'll try to solve that one. Thank you.